Hey there, welcome to Palmyra Studios Sewing Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy method for how to thread a needle. Let's get started.
The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out the type of thread you're going to be using. I recommend using 100% polyester thread. This is sometimes called an all-purpose or universal thread. I like to use this thread over, say, 100% cotton because it won't break while you're hand sewing. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be using a bright color. Of course, normally I'm going to match the color of my thread to the color of the garment. And as you can see here, it says 100% polyester. So let's next talk about how much thread you're going to need. So how I like to figure this out is I like to measure the distance of the hand sewing that I'm doing. So in this particular example, I'm going to be taking my favorite hat that my dog chewed, and I'm going to measure from the end of one hole to the other. So I see on here it's 3 inches. So then I'm going to take that 3 inches and I'm going to multiply it by 3.5. That gets me 10.5 inches, which then I'm going to measure out on a ruler. I'm then going to take that length and I'm going to double it. And this is how I find the total length of thread that I'm going to need. My general recommendation is always over measure. There's nothing worse than getting to the end of a project and having to stop an inch short because you didn't get enough thread. So next, I'm going to take that thread that I just cut and hold it taut. Then I'm going to loop it back onto itself. Once I do that, I'm going to use my thumb and pull the loop down to where only a tiny bit is showing. Taking my needle in my right hand, I'm then going to pinch the thread and then gently guide this loop through the opening. Once it's a little bit through the opening, I'm going to take the nail of my thumb and grab it on the other side, and then I'm just going to pull it taut. Next, you're just going to line up the tails of the thread, making sure that they're even, and you're going to tie a knot. To do that, you're just going to create a loop, and then you're going to pass the tails through the opening of that hole. You're going to want to do this a couple times because you want the diameter of that knot to be bigger than the diameter of the needle, otherwise the needle is going to fall through. So I usually do this about 3 or 4 times. And then once I check that the knot is good to go, then I cut off the excess tails, usually about 1/4 of an inch out. And there you go. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.